When you need to create random color squares for your project, maybe for a background or just to add something interesting to your design, here's one easy way to do it. Alright, I've got a blank canvas ready here. I'm going to start by adding a shape that covers the entire page. I'll grab the rectangle tool and draw it to fill the canvas. The color doesn't matter for now, we'll deal with that later. Now I'm going to go to Filters beneath the Layers panel and select Add Noise. In the dialog box that pops up, I'll slide the intensity all the way to the right, to 100%. Let me zoom in so we can see it better. As you can see, it's grayscale right now, so I'll turn off monochromatic, and the colors will show up. I can also choose between Gaussian and Uniform. Gaussian tends to look a bit lighter, while Uniform has slightly more contrast. I'll go with Uniform, but feel free to pick whichever you prefer. I'll click Close, then press Ctrl 0 to zoom back out. And here's how the noise looks. Now I'm going to go to Filters again and select Pixelate. If I slide the quantization to the right, the squares become bigger. If I slide it to the left, they become smaller. This size works well for me. Now you might notice some transparency around the edges of the rectangle. If you do, just check Preserve Alpha and click Close. And there we go, random color squares. Now all the filters I'm using here are live filters, which means they are non-destructive and fully adjustable at any time. If you feel like the colors are not quite right, you can click on the rectangle layer and change the base color. Changing it to black will make the overall look darker, while white will make it lighter. You can also try other colors like red, blue, or yellow. Just play around with it and see what looks best for your design. I'll go with gray like this. And that's everything on creating random color squares in Affinity. I hope you found this useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!